In the realm of machine learning and data science, pipelines are essential for automating workflows. They streamline the process of data preparation, model training, and deployment. A pipeline ensures that each step in the workflow is executed in the correct order, making it easier to manage and reproduce results. This presentation will delve into the intricacies of running and scheduling a pipeline, particularly in the context of preparing a model for deployment. A pipeline is a sequence of data processing steps. Each step is a component that performs a specific task, such as data cleaning, feature extraction, model training, or evaluation. Pipelines help in maintaining a structured and organized workflow, ensuring that each step is executed in a predefined order. This not only enhances efficiency, but also makes the process more scalable and reproducible. A typical pipeline consists of several components: data ingestion, data preprocessing, feature engineering, model training, model evaluation, and model deployment. Each component plays a crucial role in the overall workflow. Data ingestion involves collecting raw data, while data preprocessing cleans and transforms the data. Feature engineering extracts relevant features, and model training builds the predictive model. Model evaluation assesses the model's performance, and model deployment makes the model available for use. Creating a pipeline involves defining each step and specifying the order in which they should be executed. This can be done using various tools and frameworks, such as Azure Machine Learning, Apache Airflow, or Kubeflow. The process typically starts with defining the data sources and the transformations required. Next, the model training and evaluation steps are added, followed by the deployment step. Each step is configured with the necessary parameters and dependencies. Running a pipeline involves executing the defined steps in the specified order. This can be done manually or automatically using scheduling tools. When running a pipeline, it's important to monitor the progress and handle any errors that may occur. Tools like Azure Machine Learning provide detailed logs and metrics to help track the execution. Successful execution of a pipeline ensures that the model is trained, evaluated, and deployed as intended. Scheduling a pipeline automates the execution process, ensuring that the pipeline runs at specified intervals or in response to certain triggers. This is particularly useful for tasks that need to be performed regularly, such as retraining a model with new data. Scheduling can be done using tools like Azure Machine Learning Pipelines, Apache Airflow, or cron jobs. Proper scheduling ensures that the pipeline runs efficiently and consistently without manual intervention. Azure Machine Learning Pipelines is a powerful tool for creating, running, and scheduling pipelines. It provides a user-friendly interface and robust features for managing the entire machine learning lifecycle. With Azure ML pipelines, you can define complex workflows, monitor execution, and handle errors seamlessly. It also integrates with other Azure services, making it easier to manage data and compute resources. In Azure ML, each step in a pipeline is defined using the SDK or the designer interface. The SDK allows for more flexibility and customization, while the designer provides a visual interface for building pipelines. Steps can include data preparation, model training, evaluation, and deployment. Each step is configured with the necessary parameters, such as input data, compute target, and output location. Dependencies between steps are also defined to ensure proper execution order. Running a pipeline in Azure ML involves submitting the pipeline for execution. This can be done through the Azure portal, SDK, or CLI. Once submitted, the pipeline runs each step in the specified order using the defined compute resources. Azure ML provides detailed logs and metrics to monitor the execution. Any errors or issues can be addressed using the provided debugging tools. Successful execution results in a trained and deployed model. Scheduling pipelines in Azure ML can be done using the SDK or the Azure portal. You can set up recurring schedules or trigger pipelines based on specific events, such as data updates. The scheduling feature ensures that pipelines run automatically at the specified times without manual intervention. This is particularly useful for maintaining models that need to be retrained regularly. Proper scheduling helps in keeping the models up to date and accurate. Monitoring and managing pipelines is crucial for ensuring their smooth execution. Azure ML provides tools for tracking the progress, performance, and resource usage of pipelines. You can view detailed logs, metrics, and visualizations to understand the execution flow. Alerts and notifications can be set up to inform you of any issues or errors. Effective monitoring helps in identifying bottlenecks and optimizing the pipeline for better performance. Error handling is an important aspect of running and scheduling pipelines. Errors can occur at any step, and it's essential to have mechanisms in place to detect and address them. Azure ML provides robust error handling features, including retries, logging, and notifications. You can configure steps to retry on failure or proceed with alternative actions. Proper error handling ensures that the pipeline can recover from issues and continue execution without significant disruptions. To ensure the efficient and reliable execution of pipelines, it's important to follow best practices. These include modularizing the pipeline into reusable components, using version control for pipeline definitions, and monitoring resource usage. Additionally, it's important to test pipelines thoroughly before deploying them in production. Regularly updating and maintaining the pipeline components helps in keeping the workflow efficient and up to date. Following these best practices ensures that the pipeline runs smoothly and delivers accurate results. Let's consider a real-world case study of a company using pipelines for model deployment. The company collects data from various sources, pre-processes it, and trains a predictive model. Using Azure ML pipelines, they automate the entire workflow, from data ingestion to model deployment. The pipeline is scheduled to run daily, ensuring that the model is always trained on the latest data. By monitoring the pipeline, the company can quickly address any issues and optimize performance. This case study highlights the practical benefits of using pipelines for model deployment. Running and scheduling pipelines is a critical aspect of preparing a model for deployment. It ensures that the workflow is automated, efficient, and reproducible. By using tools like Azure ML pipelines, you can define, run, and schedule complex workflows with ease. Proper monitoring and error handling further enhance the reliability of the pipeline. As a next step, you can explore the Azure ML documentation and tutorials to get hands-on experience with creating and managing pipelines. This will help you in mastering the skills required for efficient model deployment.